How to change country in NinjaTrader. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are gonna learning how to easily change your country on NinjaTrader account. First of all, launch open your NinjaTrader app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from your home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the icon, which can be a blue button or something else. Just tap on that and you will see this expanded menu over here. Now, scroll down and click on Settings. Under Settings, select Profile. After you open up your profile section, you'll need to go ahead and scroll down and click on Update, and the contact information will open up, from where you need to go ahead and click on the country drop-down and choose a different country from the list. Go ahead and select the country you want to change to, and once you do, you can click on the Save button at the bottom. You'll need to enter some additional details such as your additional address information, the name of your city, zip code, etc. And once you do, you'll be able to change your country right away. Sometimes the country setting is tied to your account verification details. If you can't change it yourself, you may need to contact NinjaTrader support and provide proof of your new location. So that's how you easily change your location or your country in NinjaTrader. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.